Guys, check out the best way to group your tracks in Ableton Live 12. First thing you do is you are going to select the tracks. I want to add kick. Press my control. I'm using window control. Move up. My control is still on. Control. Then I think that's all. Then I can right click now and say create group tracks. Then I'll just click on group tracks. Now I can reselect it and rename it drum group. Now I can add my effects here, and anything that I add there can affect all of them. Audio effects, I can add glue compressor to it. I have my glue compressor here. Thanks for watching.